Understanding the phrase, oil the boar, in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a unique English phrase, oil the boar. This phrase isn't commonly used in everyday conversation, but it has interesting applications and meanings. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your English conversations. Oil the boar originates from a mechanical context, specifically related to machinery maintenance. In its literal sense, it refers to applying lubricant inside the bore of an engine or machine part. This is done to reduce friction, prevent wear and tear, and ensure the smooth operation of the machinery. In a figurative sense, oil the boar can be used to describe a situation where someone is preparing or easing the way for a process or activity. It's akin to saying, grease the wheels, or smooth the path. This usage is more metaphorical and is often employed in business or planning contexts. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. In a meeting context. Before presenting the proposal to the board, let's oil the boar by giving them a brief overview of the benefits. 2. In daily life. I oiled the boar by talking to the manager beforehand, so our group got seated immediately at the restaurant. Oil the boar is a phrase with both literal and figurative meanings, primarily used in contexts of preparation and facilitation. Understanding such phrases enriches your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the language's nuances. I hope this video has been enlightening, and I look forward to sharing more interesting English phrases with you. Happy learning!